How to buy ZORBY token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply use the code below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 4 hours ago and increased by 14,000% in the last 24 hours. This token, as you can see, trending number 3 in the base section. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet for that. Go to your wallet, select the base as a network from here and click on this plus icon and paste the token address here, as you can see. So after that, click on this plus icon to add to your this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called ZORBY. So after you find it, what you need to do, click on it and click here on swap. As you can see, switch from here from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So in a while you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, if you face this issue, there is no way to buy this token on your wallet. So the only way to be able to buy this token, it's by using the Uniswap. So go to Uniswap and connect your wallet, and as you can see, you can now go and buy this token there. So this is how to buy ZORBY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.